AMP value equivalent to $0.0026 a coin. The present reach, $0.0025. $0.0028. The earlier day close, $0.0025. The change was plus 0.0001. Plus 4.00%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to AMP. AMP value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. AMP cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at $0.0022. Most extreme cost $0.0033. Least cost $0.0022. The normal for the month $0.0027. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0030. Change for August 36.4%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. Before all else cost at $0.0030. Most extreme cost $0.0037. Least cost $0.0030. The normal for the month $0.0033. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0035. Change for September 16.7%. AMP cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place cost at $0.0035. Greatest cost $0.0042. Least cost $0.0035. The normal for the month $0.0038. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0039. Change for October 11.4%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. To start with cost at $0.0039. Greatest cost $0.0039. Least cost $0.0031. The normal for the month $0.0036. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0033. Change for November 15.4%. AMP cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at $0.0033. Most extreme cost $0.0033. Least cost $0.0026. The normal for the month $0.0030. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0028. Change for December 15.2%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Initially cost at $0.0028. Most extreme cost $0.0028. Least cost $0.0024. The normal for the month $0.0027. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0026. Change for January 7.1%. AMP cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at $0.0026. Greatest cost $0.0026. Least cost $0.0020. The normal for the month $0.0024. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0022. Change for February 15.4%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.0022. Greatest cost $0.0028. Least cost $0.0022. The normal for the month $0.0025. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0026. Change for spring 18.2%. AMP cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at $0.0026. Most extreme cost $0.0032. Least cost $0.0026. The normal for the month $0.0029. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0030. Change for April 15.4%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $0.0030. Greatest cost $0.0030. Least cost $0.0024. The normal for the month $0.0028. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0026. change for May 13.3%, AMP cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.0026, greatest cost $0.0026. Least cost $0.0020. The normal for the month $0.0024. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0022. Change for June 15.4%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.0022. Most extreme cost $0.0024. Least cost $0.0020. The normal for the month $0.0022. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0022. Change for July 0.0%. AMP cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else, cost at $0.0022. Most extreme cost $0.0022. Least cost $0.0017. The normal for the month $0.0020. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0018. Change for August 18.2%. United States dollars to AMP expectations for August 2023. In the first place, cost at 454.55 amps, greatest cost 454.55, least 303.03. The normal for the month 386.37. The United States dollars to AMP figure toward the month's end 333.33. Change for August 26.7%. Dollar to AMP figure for September 2023. Initially cost at 333.33 amps. Greatest cost 333.33. Least 270.27. The normal for the month 305.66. The United States dollars to AMP conjecture toward the month's end 285.71. Change for September 14.3%. United States dollars to AMP expectations for October 2023. At the outset, cost at 285.71 amps. Most extreme cost 285.71. Least 238.10. The normal for the month 266.48. The United States dollars to AMP estimate toward the month's end 256.41. Change for October 10.3%. Dollar to AMP estimate for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at 256.41 amps. Greatest cost 322.58. Least 256.41. The normal for the month 284.61. The United States dollars to AMP conjecture toward the month's end 303.03. Change for November 18.2%. United States dollars to AMP expectations for December 2023. At the outset, cost at 303.03 amps. Most extreme cost 384.62. Least 303.03. The normal for the month 336.96. The United States dollars to AMP gauge toward the month's end 357.14. Change for December 17.9%. Dollar to AMP gauge for January 2024. In the first place, cost at 357.14.